Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to upload and edit a PDF file using Google Docs. Let's get started. Step 1. Upload the PDF to Google Drive. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and log into your account. To upload your PDF file, you can either click the New button and select File Upload, or simply drag and drop the PDF from your computer into Google Drive. Step 2. Open the PDF in Google Docs. Once the upload is complete, locate your PDF file in Drive. Right-click on it, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. Google Docs will then automatically convert your PDF into an editable document. This may take a few seconds depending on the file's size and formatting. Step 3. Edit the document. Once the file opens in Google Docs, you can freely edit the content. You can add or delete text, insert images, adjust formatting as needed. Your changes will be automatically saved in Google Docs format. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and edited a PDF using Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.